Alright guys, so today we're talking about the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless version. Now, if you've seen my video, I have used the wired version when it first came out, but since then I've upgraded to the wireless one because I like it so much. Here's the thing, right? This right here looks exactly the same as the wired version. So if you've seen the wired video, this is pretty much the same. So what I want to do is I just want to do an overview of the wireless versions if you haven't seen that video. So first off, the headbands are very plushed. They've definitely upgraded this headband from Cloud 2 and made it a lot more softer. It still kept the same design, but I feel like it's a lot smoother and quieter. The ear pads still super plushed. You can change it out if this ever goes bad. The mic is detachable, just like any other HyperX product. But notice how much bigger this mic is now compared to the old one. USB-C for charging. But what I do with the USB-C though is I added this little stubby dongle right here for wireless charging, quote-unquote wireless charging. So what I do is right there, just plug that in. Right there's a USB cord right here, and all I do is snap that thing on and it charges it. Yeah, so now it just magnetically charges this device without wearing out the USB-C port. Which, by the way, I'm glad that they updated to USB-C instead of keeping it micro USB. For some of you that use the older HyperX, you know what I'm talking about. The micro USB is terrible, so glad they updated this. You still got the mute button on the side right here and the power button to turn on the headset. Volume button is still on the right hand side here. It is a little clicky in case you're wondering. So in case you're wondering how the battery life is, the battery life, it says here that it will last you 120 hours on the battery life. Mainly, the reason why it can last you that long is because there's really no RGB or anything like that on this headset right here. It's literally all the battery is used to transmit the audio, so it can last pretty darn long now. I've never had to worry about the battery life on this at all. And we use this headphones, me and my kids, we use this headphone 12 plus hours a day. Seriously, that's how much they are on the computer. It does not run out of battery. And what we do is, because we're now magnetically charging this thing, at the end of the day we just snap it on and it just stays on. So I totally recommend getting the magnet cables. Even though the material right here is like aluminum or some kind of metal, it doesn't feel like it's heavy at all. This thing is very light on the head. Like I said earlier, 12 hours on this thing, no problem at all, because it's so comfortable. It's very light and it doesn't feel like it's gonna crush your head with this type of design that they have here. So that's the reason why they keep coming back to the same design right here, because it just works. In terms of the ear cups, people that are like me who have big ears, it fit around your ears very well, so it should fully enclose your ears inside of it. Yeah, very flexible. You're not gonna, this thing, you can throw it around, it's not gonna break on you. Okay, so probably what you want to do is you want to listen to how this thing sounds in the game, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this thing out and let you hear it, okay? Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys listen to this. Should be able to hear exactly what's coming out of this headset right here. So I recommend you using a headphone on this one. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go into Call of Duty on the mobile. By the way, yeah, you can plug this thing into your iPhone if it has USB-C, and you can use the headset as well. So anyway, let's go ahead and do that and play some Call of Duty to let you hear the footsteps and all that good stuff. All right.
Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
above me.
Surgeon. All right, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Enemy dropping into the AO. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates and earn points to return to fire.
Moving here!
You can hear his footstep. Oh, I got him.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No bullets. All right, so let's listen to some music real quick while my game is finalizing the install. This is at about 90% noise level.